Be sure to check out the link in the description for this great PDF with all the right chords and everything. Alright, let's show you what it's going to sound like. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sweet, you get the idea? What's up, Jooba people? This is going to be the song we're going to learn today. Some really nice chords in the key of D, a nice strumming pattern and picking pattern that we can play this song with, and then the 2 chord progressions with an alternate, a little change in progression for the bridge. Okay. You can download the PDF using the links in the description. It's got all the chords and lyrics and everything inside. Okay. So let's see. What we want to start with first is the strumming and picking patterns. They're the most important thing. So for strumming, we're just going to do a down, 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 down. And we're going to use the slight palm muting technique, so kind of karate chop down on the bridge and then strum the strings. If you don't want it to karate chop, you want it to be more of an open sound, then don't do that. Just do that, or I like the palm muting sound a bit better than not palm muting. Okay, then we're going to do the picking pattern, which you could do like this: P, I, M, I. P is thumb, I index finger, M middle finger. P, I, M, I. And on a D chord, it's going to sound like this. Throughout all the chords it's going to remain the same, except your thumb is going to follow the root notes of the chords. Okay, the root notes are the green ones. All right, now let's quickly zoom in here and look at the chords. We have a D chord, and then you just take these 2 fingers and move them up 2 strings and get this nice B minor 7 chord. Make sure to mute the top string. You can either do that with your thumb, which will cause you to mute the bottom string as well, but don't worry about that. Or with your index finger here. And then you take this finger down 1 string, you get our A chord, which is going to be called an A sus4. And if you move these 2 up 1 string, you get E minor 7. Okay, and those 4 chords will get you through most of the song, through all the verses at least. But then in the chorus we have this G chord added. You can use a regular G, but it sounds really nice to use this G major 7. So it's like a G chord, but the index finger you put here on the 2nd fret, 1st string. So you get this really lush sounding chord. Make sure to mute the 5th string, otherwise it would sound like this. It's really very hard to not mute the 5th string, but it's not a mistake if you mute it. Okay, then the main progression of the song is pretty simple, just D, to the B minor, then B minor A, same thing again, B minor, and then E minor A, enter troubadour, and then insert it to D and G major 7, and D A, he's actually using power chords, I think, to play the original, but we don't want to play the original. The original's if you have a band and everything. Most of us are just sitting with our guitars at home, chilling it out, and we want to play some nice chords. You could do power chords if you want to, but hey, I think this sounds better anyway. Especially with the picking pattern. Ooh, I mean, listen to this chorus with the picking pattern. I mean, I'm kind of changing the pattern a bit, the notes that I'm playing, but it's just P-I-M-I the whole time. All right, cool. Go check out my community, link in the description. Cool beans, goodbye.